Gage Kane, I'm operations manager here at Peach State Gutters and Metal Fabrication. This is Ramon Roque, he's the owner of the company.
Any sandwiching metal we do, from commercial to residential, anything. You ask and we make it.
Chimney caps, collector boxes, conductor heads, metal roofing panels, gutter covers, and coping metal are probably our biggest five. We were actually in the market for a new metal roof machine. Just so happened, our sales guy Dominic, he came and talked to us a little bit, said, hey, we might have something for you. So we said, all right, we're gonna hold off on getting anything. He invited us out to the shop, we took a look at it, and we pretty much fell in love with it immediately. I mean, the thing is built like a tank, you know? You can't go wrong when something is built this sturdy. And it did everything that we wanted to do.
And we love the way you change the profile.
Yeah.
Like your guy here, he changed it for us. He was explaining how to change it, and he did it in 35 minutes.
Yeah.
That means if somebody tried to do it without explaining to somebody else, probably you can get it done in 20, 25 minutes.
If I'm not in the shop, I need to be able to teach somebody, one of my guys, how to run this machine effectively and efficiently. That way, the product gets moving. And if I'm not able to do that, the product just isn't for me. And we were looking at it, and I understood it pretty much, we understood it pretty much immediately. Everybody talks about how the stuff nowadays just can't hold up. This thing looks like it came out from the 1950s, but it's got all the modern day tech. I mean, the thing is just built damn solid.
It's a real strong machine, a strong framing. The soon I went to Peachtree City and I saw the machine, done.
I would say it wasn't necessarily a point for us or an objective for us to be the first ones in the state.
Yeah.
It happened by just pure happenstance, but I will say it definitely gives us a competitive edge over our competitors because customers can come to us and know that they're getting a solid product from a solid machine, that they're able to count on us versus the other guys on getting a good product out there, that they're not gonna have to worry about oil canning or anything like that. They're getting what they pay for. And all that is just a testament to Dominic. I mean, we were honestly probably the easiest sell for him because as soon as we got in there, the machine sells itself. Some of the competition, you're looking at comparing a 80s Honda Civic. It might do the job, sure, but then you've got the Mercedes-Benz S-Class sitting right here, and it's like, if you're gonna spend the money, spend some money and get what is going to do the work for you. Don't work for the machine, let the machine work for you.